Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and reinsert water tank in Dyson Air Purifier Cooler. To do this, first we'll need to find the two buttons that are located on each side of our water tank. The water tank is this transparent plate right here. So you can see the button right here, that's the first one, so just pull it downwards and do the same thing on the other side. That way we should be able to release our water tank. Now simply remove it. In case you want to add water, we'll need to also remove the filter by clicking on the same buttons. There's two of them right here, and that way we should be able to remove the filter and you can pour the water directly inside there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.